Hi, this is Brian Gracely, and in this video we're going to talk about PaaS, or Platform as a Service, P-A-A-S. Now, if we think back to what we talked about in a previous video, where we tried to relate the various types of layers of computing with the sort of the layers of cloud computing, we got to this analogy where we sort of said you had hardware, right, which relates to infrastructure, which is what we talked about, infrastructure as a service, okay? And then we had the operating system, the OS, which really relates to what we're going to talk about now, which is PaaS, or Platform as a Service. And then on top of both of these, we have applications, right? In the case of a computing device, server, it's an application. In this other model, we tend to call that software as a service, or SaaS, okay? But we're primarily going to focus on this layer right here, Platform as a Service. So let's think about what the OS does in a pure basic compute environment and what a PaaS does, or a Platform as a Service, tries to do in order to allow this to work for cloud computing environments, okay? So what it's really doing is a couple of different things. And just to throw out a couple of names so that you can put Platform as a Service into context, there are a lot of different companies and open source projects and activities that are what people will call Platform as a Service today. So I'm just going to throw out a couple of names. This isn't an all-inclusive list, but this will help you when you're reading things in the news and the media and so forth. So some of the more popular Platform as a Service are more well-known. Google has one called Google App Engine, GAE. Microsoft has one called Azure, or Azure. VMware has one called Cloud Foundry.